Na-put away ko na yung hinol namin kanina ni Holly and nagpaalam na kami. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung simpleng dinner namin tonight. Kung maalala nyo, meron ako natirang pasta sauce, freezer ko, and ayan, nilabas ko na. So, ang gagawin ko ay yung risotto. Ano siya, pasta na hinorma sa rice. Ayan siya. So, yan yung gagawin ko. Simple lang. Tapos, lagyan ko nito. May trapa akong spinach and may kamatis, sibuyas, and bawang, and cream cheese. Tapos, mamaya, maghihiwa ko ng lemon. So, isusutay ko lang yan. Tapos, ihalo-halo. And, yan na yung dinner namin. Simple lang. So, yun guys. Pakita ko sa inyo pag tapos na. Ito pala yung gagamitin nating pan. First time natin itong gagamitin. So, painit lang natin. Oil, butter. May butter and oil tayo. Nanood akong Korean. The Trunk. Habang hinihintay natin itong uminit. Buksan ko na ito. Ganito yung itsura niya. Oh. Parang butil ng bigas. Nakikita nyo. Yan. Pero pasta siya na hinorma lang sa bigas. Okay na yan. Hinilaan ko muna siya. Lagyan natin ito. Bango. Ano natin gawin? Ganyan natin yung pasta. Ito magkasya talaga. So, lalagyan ko sana siyang white wine. Pero, wag na lang. Kasi eto, meron na itong white wine nung niluto ko. So, lulutuin ko lang ng mabuti yung kamates. Saka ko ito ilalagay. Ayan, kubarin ko muna yung white ko kasi ilalagay ko na ito. Baka matalsikan. Alam muna natin. So, since luto na rin to, ang gagawin ko ay ilalagay na natin ito. Then, beef stock. Shake ko lang. Ito yung tira ng isang araw din. Gumawa tayo ng pasta. Ay, kasya lang. Tamang-tama lang. So, mga 10 to 15 minutes yung ating risotto. Okay na daw to. Kasi sabi dito sa package, for al dente, 10 minutes. Ilagay ko na rin yung ating cream cheese. Ganito para may ilagay. Kasi marami pa tayong cream cheese dyan. So, kailangan natin gamitin. Maglalagay ako ng konting salt and pepper. And lemon. So, ilalagay ko na yung spinach. Ang ganda-ganda pa ng spinach. Oh. Nitira ko pa to last week. Ayan, hindi siya dumikit. Yun yung wino-worry ko na baka mag-stick yung niluluto natin. So, at least for the first time, hindi naman. Oh. Kita nyo? Walang dikit. Okay. Meron pa pala tayong ilalagay yung ating parmesan cheese. Ayan na siya with parmesan cheese. Mauna na akong kumain. Si Holly mamaya na raw. Hintayin niya sila daddy. Makain na ako. Ang sarap guys. In fairness ha. Sarap siya. Kain. Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Hi, my pony pony. Pony pony.
It's so dirty.
Do you think you get that off?
I don't think so. Wow, look at you. Look at them.
This.
Look.
What is this?
It's this one. Wanna try?
Oh, okay.
The shower. Kain na daw si Jan. So, nakakabusog siya. Kahit konti lang. Konti lang ibigay muna natin kasi baka hindi na maubos sayang. Pwede naman bumalik, di ba? Ayan. May Jollibee ko. Eh, baka sobrang konti naman. Tinanggal ko pala yung cover dito. Kasi lalabang ko yun. Yeah. Pardon? Look at his face, son. Ayan yung nunal na inaano niya. Tingnan nyo, guys. You know? So, ayan na lang yung natira. O, tamang-tama lang. Nakakabusog siya as in. Alright, good night, guys. Siya.
I left the hall light on in case you come back home. I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home? I've been sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord I strike cries your name. Won't you come back home again? Stars fell out, the moon turned gray. The wind
Okay, come on, it's ready.
Now, boys, take time.
Boys, come on.
Granny is my wrestler.
And keeps whispering your name my way.
Round 2 for Kuya. So good?
You cuddling back 너를 마주할 때면 내 말투가 낯설어 다가가면 사라질까봐 숨을 참고 보게 돼 한마디 꺼낼까 말고 그냥 멀리서 너를 그려 If you feel the same 내 거울 앞에서 연습해서 웃을 타이밍 근데 넌 자꾸 예측을게 너도 알지 나 지금 이 If you feel it too 난 마주칠 때 If you love me just say 같은 맘이라면 그냥 고개 끄덕여도 돼난 계속 웃음 짓게 돼 If you just tell me 너도 나와 같다면 툭 던진 말 오늘
Good morning! It's Saturday. So yung laro ng mga bata today is Saro, which is an hour and 30 minutes drive. And kanina, pag alis namin sa bahay, ang ganda pa ng weather, ang ganda ng sunrise. And ngayon, pangit-pangit na ng weather. Ang muulan and gloomy. How far are we on? 30? 30 minutes away na lang kami. So kanina pa ako nag-drive pa. Dito ang pangit-pangit ng weather. So ang laro ni Holly 9 o'clock. Tapos yung mga bata. What time is your game, boys? 10. So right after ni Holly sila naman. Sana umupaw yung weather para hindi sila basa. Kapasok lang natin sa row. Good morning, kids.
Morning. Yeah, when we stayed here, how long did we stay for? And didn't we eat there somewhere?
Yeah, we did. That was 3 years ago.
3?
I think so. Because last year we didn't stay here. So usually, nag-stay kami dito. Kaso, si Zach, meron siyang training bukas. And si John, hindi namin maida-drive si Zachary sa Adelaide. So, sasama siya kila Jimmy. So, right after ng laro ng mga bata.
House connected.
Right after ng laro nila Zach.
Go to my house to get
Alis agad kami. Kasi,
charger.
imimit namin yung parents ni ano.
This is his.
Is this the house now?
Yeah.
Oh, they renovated it. Dito muna kami sa bahay ni Mayo. May bahay sila dito sa row. What you gonna get here?
Computer charger.
Ah, okay. May kunin lang dito si Jan. So yun nga, si Zach, sasama siya kila Jimmy's family para sa training bukas. Well, it's a training game bukas. And under 13 ulit yung makakalaro nila. Lang naman kinuha niya. Kasi si Jan, may attendance siyang funeral bukas. Na. So yeah, right after ang laro nila, alis kami para ma-drop off namin si Zach sa Congo kasi may laro rin si Jimmy. So right after ng laro nila, alis na sila pa Adelaide.
Huh?
Ha?
Is it just his
I don't
dad?
know. Mum might go.
Yeah, so baka yung mama niya. Ayan na. Oh, there's no one there yet, Han.
Yeah.
So makakahanap pa tayong maayos na ano. Well, not much. Dito na tayo. Yan na yung mga magkukulit ng bayad. 30 minutes bago for your game. Aga namin umalis din eh.
How long does Holly's game go?
So, at least hindi pa ganun karaming cars. Makahanap pa tayong parking. Mga reserved yan, oh. So, dito na lang tayo sa taas. Can we really watch here, huh?
Oi, Brett.
Oy. Thank you. Ayun, pinamove ni Jan yung car ni Dino.
Probably can't get in there.
Why? Good luck.
Right.
Mag-warm up na sila. See you, Yak. Naka-trackie si Kuya, oh. Wow, first time. Trackies.
Brock's in there, Dad.
Kuya, Zaki, good luck. Love you.
It's cold.
I know, it's cold. Yeah. Okay, balitaan ko na lang kayo guys mamaya kung ano mangyayari sa game today. Ito yung wala pang talo. Wala pang talo tong robe. So magaling to. Malalaki din sila. Tapos na si Holly, ngayon yung boys naman. Hindi nyo nga lang makita. Balitaan ko na lang kayo. Sinisipon ako, sobrang lamig. As in lamig talaga. Naririnig nyo yung hangin? Yan yung hangin guys. Talo sila Holly. Habang naglalaro sila, gagano sila, sobrang lamig. So nag-order akong hot chocolate. Pero binalaan ako ni Dino na hindi raw masarap yung chocolate. Hot chocolate. Parang gatas lang daw yung lasa. So try natin. It's not the best, pero okay na. Ano nangyari? Tapos na tapos na agad yung first. Tapos na agad yung first quarter ng boys. So nag-start silang early. Nakapila kasi ako dun sa sa canteen. Bumili tayo ng mahaba rin yung pila doon. Ayan, bumili ako ng bacon and eggs. Sino kaya ang lamang? Nasaan yung score? Hindi natin alam. Wala sila yung board para makita yung score. 10 o'clock na. Malamig na to. Rinig yung hangin guys. Malamig. Hindi na mainit yung yung egg saka bacon. Tapos na ako, hindi ko naubos. Ang lamig na kasi ng bacon saka eggs. Ito, merong binili na protein ball. Ayan. Masarap din yung nabili ko doon sa Yamba. So, gusto ko itong i-try. Caramel protein ball siya. Okay lang. Yung mga bata, gusto ko silang gawa nito kasi si Sak. Nung binilang ko siya, o nagpabili siya sa akin nito doon sa Yamba. Gustong gusto niya. So, siguro, i-add ko to sa lunchbox nila. Pero hindi ganito kalaki. Sobrang laki naman to. Ano siya eh, parang siksik biglig. Ngayon, pag nakagat mo siya, parang ng ilang kagat, okay ka na. Kaya yung gagawin ko, maliliit lang. Sana wag umulan para hindi basa yung boys. Uwi na tayo guys. Ang ganda ng laban. Git-gitan yung laro ng robe tsaka, ng boys. How many points? Only 4 points, right? Zach, you lost 4 points. Not even 1 goal, just 4
points.
Yeah, 4 points. Ganun kaganda yung laro. So parang 3 goals each. 3 goals sila Zach, then 3 goals din yung kalaban. Natalo sila sa points. Only 4 points. You could have win, Zachary.
We did. The goal wasn't even a goal.
Ah, they count it as a goal? So are they gonna talk about it, huh?
No.
No? Oh, so how come? Oh, kinot daw ng goal na dapat hindi naman goal. Oh, is anyone knows? Ba? Anyone knows?
I think there's nothing ruled out, so just...
Oh, they cannot change it. But technically, you won, Zach. Zach, technically.
No, they didn't. They lost.
Oh, but they count the goal that it shouldn't be goal.
No. That's the one goal.
Oh, ang galing. Dito nyo makikita ang magaling yung parehong team kasi hindi marami yung goals. Yung parang talagang ginaguard nila both yung ball. Kasi 'di ba sa ibang pinupunta namin, nakaka 17 goals sila, 14 goals. Dito 3 lang talaga. Pareho pa sila, nag-tie sila sa goal, 3 goals. Sa points lang sila natalo ng 4. Si Kuya nakakick ng 2 goals. So si Kuya na nandun 2 goals, tapos yung isa. So 3 goals both. Oh, sayang. And speaking, si Kuya wala dito kasi naglalaro si Kuya sa under 17. And dito rin siya matutulog kasi yung mga kasama niya, yung friend ni John, si Dino, doon siya mag-stay kila sa cabin ni Dino. Yung papa ni Brock, doon siya. Kasi mag-stay sila dito. So walang kasabay si Kuya Paul kasi kami ida-drop off namin si Zach sa Concord kasi bukas nga may state na laro si Zach or match, ima-match sila sa ibang team na naman na under 13, si Zach under 12, under 13, so medyo ahead 1 year sa kanila yung mga kalaro, same as last weekend, pero yun yung under 12 before, like yung dating state team. So this time may ima-match na naman sa kanila. So how many weeks, son? 2 more weeks before the championship.
Grab that out.
Aren't we versing Tan then?
Where?
Next week?
Tatanola.
Blank car.
Then who?
So yeah, malapit na.
Then it's Hatherley.
So, have we versed Tan twice?
I don't know. When do you do 10? When do we go
We
away?
haven't done Tan. We've only...
We haven't played. No,
Oh,
the
wait,
kids
huh?
No, you
didn't.
have played 10.
But we're away.
I think you're on Blanco next week and then we go on the Saturday.
Yeah, so malapit na kami umalis,
That's-
guys.
No, Clangadoo.
Malapit-
Blanco, Clangadoo it is.
Malapit na yung championship ng state. So nabook na namin lahat before pa kami umalis. Before pa tayo nagyamba, nabook na namin yung flight kasi nga pupunta kayo ng Queensland para kay Zach sa state. So Queensland
Yeah,
first.
we'll be back for 16th of August.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're leaving in August 2. Alis kami ng August 2. Balik kami 11. We're coming back 11 or 9?
No.
11. So nabook na lahat yan bago pa kami umalis nung pumunta tayo ng Yamba.
That is 3 games.
And yung ating accommodation na book na rin. So yeah, in 2 more weeks we're flying to Queensland, right Beth? 2 more weeks? Yeah. For Zachary, my God, I'm proud. So doon na talagang maglalaban-laban ang 7 states. 7 states, right, Han? 7 states. I-unbox ko to sa inyo pala. I-unbox natin. Ito yung binili ko para sa ating iPad, what you call this, laptop. Free shipping sana siya, kaso ang inaalala ko baka hindi siya dumating bago kami umalis. So nagbayad ako ng shipping para ma-ship agad. Exciting. Tada! Ayan guys. Oh, baka mahulog kayo.
Yeah,
Tasty
I'm not
Pie.
waiting for 2 days in a row. I forgot the bill.
Don't need a build on the other.
Oh, George.
Ayan guys. Ito yung collab ni CC Heart. CC Heart. Feeling close. Ito yung collaboration niya. Bibili sana ako yung phone case, kaso wag na muna, hintayin ko na lang pag nagpalit na tayo ng phone. which is sa January pa. So, tiyagaan ko lang muna. So, huwag kayo mahulog habang ina-unbox natin ito. Buti na lang, hindi umulan nung kay Holly umulan konti eh. Ayan siya nga. Ito pala, meron dito. Tagal naman itong magpabukas. Ayaw. Di talaga tayo sa unboxing. Yung ibang ganda mag-ano. Ang ganda mag...
Time to get a drink.
Tadan! Oops, wala pa. Ah, may dust bag siya. In fairness, may dust bag. Ayan, guys. Oh, diba? My case for my laptop. Ang ganda. Okay, so yan yung case natin, guys, sa ating laptop. Sabay ko na ito ilagay. Ganda niya, in fairness.
너를 마주할 때면 내 말투가 낯설어 다가가면 사라질까봐 숨을 참고
Okay. No, gising na baba. Dito lang kami, hinintay namin yung family ni Jimmy. Nandun sila. Di na kayo pumasok kasi pag pumasok kami dyan, magbabayad ka ng entrance fee na $10 per person. Pero yung mga bata wala. Hindi naman kayo manunood. Tapos na rin naman si Jimmy at yung kapatid maglaro. Ayan na yung car. Yeah, they're coming out. Ready, Zach? I'm gonna miss you, Zach.
Headache.
You need water. We will miss you, Zeki boy. Oh, may ano siya, may pabaw ng daddy.
Here for a night.
Pang dinner
And
niya yun.
where are you going to put that?
Oh, just them one.
Oh, it's
There's
just
no
the
mom.
board there.
See you, Zach. Just the boys. Wala yung mama. They lost one goal.
Yeah.
Just one goal. Oh, talo din yung team ni Jimmy no. One goal. Yan, alisin sila. Yan yung kanila. So, just the three of them, honey. Alright. Wow, peace and quiet, Baba. Wow. Kami lang tatlo sa bahay kasi si Kuya di ko mag-overnight din sa room. Ah.
Stretching out the back there, warm.
Dito na pala kami sa bahay. Punasan ko lang to bago ko ilagay yung ating Casetify. Ayan, okay na ito. Tingnan niyo yung difference ng ating laptop before. Hindi nyo makita. Medyo mabigat kasi itong bago natin. Ito kasi manipis lang. Tsaka gusto ko yung kulay nito. Yung ano ba to? Basta may pagka-gray. Anong tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko na yung kulay nito eh. Okay, lagay na natin yung case niya. So, okay na yung sa front. Check lang natin ulit. Alright. Ayan yung front. Ito naman tayo sa likod. Ayan. Oh, good. Tapos. Diba? Mayroon na siyang mga muka. Daming muka. Ayan. Tapos, pag nag-travel tayo, lagay ko to dito. Di ba? May sarili siyang case. Done. Ito pala yung mint na nabili natin sa Yamba dun sa Woolies. And ito yung rosemary.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me.
So, ito
From
yung old
miles
na
away, I can
tangkay
tell
or
that
stem.
something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk.
Malambot pa
I
siya.
think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile. I thought that it was smart. Stay in my lane. Always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play. I had the leading part. I realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one else seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so overworking every situation, keeping track of what everybody's doing. Do they have something I like? Try to prove I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so coloring inside of the lines, leaving my
Like lemonade. Yeah. That was really good. Lemonade. And good.
nothing, a chance, so nobody's gonna find anything to fall me on. Thought that would mean I'd won. So afraid of being left behind. Did what I could to cut in line. No feelings, acting stone cold, sitting on my high horse. Ego had a stronghold. I got just.
Zach is here. Itrabay si Zach from Adelaide and mag-hotbat siya. Naglagay na kami nito. Red Ox. Where's the salt? Did you put the salt?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where, hon?
There.
Oh.
Empty.
Okay,
Can you put more? Oh, it's finished. Almost finished. Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, I couldn't really say it.
Ang dungis niya, oh. Wala.
Where's love?
Si Kuya, late na rin yan dumating.
Go to bed.
Ito kay
Not so tired.
Johnny Boy. Kumain daw sila, pero gusto niya, tinikman niya. Kumain na sila eh, sa labas.
Tired. What can you say, mate?
Pick up niya kay Zach. Eh si Holly, ayan. Kain to kasi
Yeah.
He's kicking me.
ito yung dinner talaga namin. Ha?
Bed was like sleep.
Si Kuya kanina sabi niya, busog siya. Ngayon ay nagpakuha. Kuya! Here, come on!
The front 9 or the front 12.
They're nice. and
Carpet.
Good view.
Carpet.
Nag-golf si
fairway.
Kuya sa robe.
Bunkers
Kaya,
are like professional.
gabi na rin siya nakauwi. O
Like,
mga
easy, and
5:30, ano na,
I've ruined it,
6:54
I've
na.
ruined it.
Ayan.
Dad.
Right there, you could have balked him. Look, boom.
I didn't know what I was
Like, you
thinking.
know, like that.
May
and then-
video si Kuya
I didn't
nung
know what I
ano,
was
natako
gonna
siya
do.
na
Should've
about
just-
na
That was my
magkikik
first
na siya ng
chance, I
goal.
think. Oh, but
Sa
then
under
I'm like, I'm not
17.
in
Pero
under
nanalo
14s
daw sila by
anymore.
1 point.
And then I
And
didn't
si
know what
Zach
to do.
nanalo
Because
din
he
sila
was
sa.
going like this, and you just should have went.
No, he went for the bump.
Yeah, I know, but you should have just. Then just snapped.